Hello and welcome to Sri Lankan Life Sciences Academy, your learning partner for Edexcel IAL Biology. This is Unit 4 and today we are moving on to Lesson 5, the structure of the chloroplasts. Let's explore how chloroplasts are perfectly designed to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Let's begin with our learning objective for this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to elaborate on the structure of the chloroplast and explain how it relates to its role in photosynthesis. We are going to break it down part by part and connect structure with function. Chloroplasts are the main site of photosynthesis in green plant cells. Their internal structure is designed to maximize the capture of light energy and efficiently convert it into chemical energy. Inside, you will find a grana, stacks of thylakoid membranes that contain photosynthetic pigments like chlorophylls arranged into photosystems. Surrounding the grana is the stroma, a fluid that contains all the enzymes needed for light-independent reactions. Did you know a typical green plant cell contains 10 to 50 chloroplasts? Let's zoom into the structure. From the plant cell, we move into the chloroplast, then deeper into a granum, and finally into a single thylakoid. You can see labels like thylakoid lumen and thylakoid membrane. Let's go deeper into three key components. The chloroplast envelope consists of a double membrane, an outer membrane and inner membrane, with an intermembrane space in between. The stroma is the enzyme-rich fluid inside the inner membrane. It contains DNA ribosomes and is the site of the Calvin cycle. The grana are stacks of thylakoids. They increase surface area, improving light absorption and making light-dependent reactions more efficient. Here are more specialized structures inside chloroplasts. Thylakoids are flat, disc-like sacs. This is where light-dependent reactions take place. The thylakoid membrane contains chlorophyll and electron transport proteins. Inside each thylakoid is the thylakoid lumen, where protons accumulate during the light-dependent stage, creating a proton gradient and drives ATP synthesis. Lamella are membrane bridges that connect grana, ensuring communication and transport of molecules between stacks. Now it's your turn. Activity time. Please draw and annotate a detailed diagram of the chloroplast. Label all the structures we have discussed. Envelope, stroma, thylakoid, lumen, grana and lamella. Also, write a short note describing the function of each label. You can have 10 minutes for this task. Pause the video if you need more time. Here's a quick summary using a label diagram. Let's revise. Stroma, site of light independent reactions. Grana, stacks of thylakoids for light dependent reactions. Thylakoids contain chlorophyll and proteins. Thylakoid lumen, site for proton accumulation. Lamella, connectors between grana. Every parts work together to make photosynthesis efficient and effective. Thank you for watching this lesson on the structure of chloroplasts here at Sri Lankan Life Sciences Academy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Edexcel IAL biology lessons. Stay tuned for the next session and keep learning with us.